Hi there, welcome to our channel. If you want to cancel Instagram follow request, then this video is for you. First, if you want to cancel follow request on your Instagram account, then you have to go to followers, and here you'll find the follow request, and now you have to choose that person that you want to cancel it. Like if you have requested, then if you tap once again, it will cancel the follow back request again. Now if you have the specific person on your account, then you can find it like this. And if you have sent follow back request or a follow request to the multiple person, and you want to know the person's name, then you just need a list of them. So how you can get the list? You just need to tap on this three horizontal line button at the top right side. Then you have to scroll down, and you don't need to scroll down. You will find account setter at the very beginning, and then you have to simply click on your information and permissions. Now from here you just simply need to download your information, and from here you just need to click on download or transfer information. Now select your Instagram profile, then select next. Now from here you can download all available information of your Instagram account, or you can also download some specific sections information by clicking on it. Now you just need to tap on it and scroll down, and in this connection section you just need to tap on followers and following. Then you just need to simply click on next and simply click on download to device. I have already downloaded this list here. As you can see, I have already downloaded that list earlier. Now you have to simply click on download, and it will redirect you to a page where you have to go through a verification process by entering your password. After entering your password, it will redirect you to the browser, and it will start downloading automatically. I have just downloaded that file here. As you can see, I have downloaded this file. This is followers and following. Here you will find all the details about your followers and followings. Now you have to simply click on followers list, and where you can find all the followers available. You can just simply search for one by one username and check which account do you send the follow request. Then you can just simply cancel the follow request easily. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.